Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to file a tax refund step by step. First, gather all your essential tax documents. This includes income statements like your Form W-2 from employers and any Form 1099 forms for other income sources. Also, collect records for potential deductions or credits, such as student loan interest or charitable contributions. Having your Social Security number and bank account information readily available will streamline the process significantly. Next, choose your preferred filing method. You can opt for electronic filing, which is often faster and more accurate, or submit paper forms through the mail. Many people find tax software helpful for guiding them through the process and ensuring correct calculations. If your situation is complex, consider consulting a tax professional. Be sure to accurately input all your financial information onto the appropriate tax forms. Before submitting, thoroughly review your entire tax return. Check for any errors or omissions in your income, deductions, and credits. If you're expecting a refund, confirm your bank account details for direct deposit to ensure a smooth and quick transfer. Once everything is accurate, sign and date your return. Then, submit it either electronically or by mail, making sure to meet the filing deadline. After filing, you can easily track the status of your refund online using the IRS Where's My Refund tool. It typically takes a few weeks for refunds to process, especially during peak season. Remember to keep copies of all your submitted tax documents for at least 3 years. This is crucial for your records and in case of any future inquiries. Also, check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.